Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how you can lengthen or stretch your glutes with rolling. And if you've seen my stretching videos, you'll know that, Tim, you don't really have any stretching videos. You're not really a fan of stretching. And that's right for static stretching, but I am a fan of dynamic moving in and out of stretching, just moving where the body's like, oh, there's a stretch, and then, going in and out of that gently. It looks like this. So we're gonna do the windshield wiper, but as we roll over, we're gonna kind of move into the shin box, and we're just gonna push this elbow into the floor, and look, we're over this knee, and here, just being here, leaning over this leg here, you're gonna feel a stretch in your backside, and we can target that stretch in different areas by how we move, and we just roll back, and then we're gonna do the other side, and we lean over. And again, like you might find it, oh man, yes, that is the spot. And then you just roll right back out of it. So you just work it from side to side, nice and gentle. Move where you can, don't move into pain. And you just move in where you can, and then lean over as you can to find tension or tight spots, and just see if you can that's really nice. And so from a different angle, to give you a different angle. So we're here, and we can lean over, and you may decide that you want to go this way and work it back again. Come back, gentle roll, and lean over. And you may decide that one side, or discover that one side is a lot tighter than another, or you may just say, man, this feels pretty daggone spiffy, Tim. I really am glad we're doing this together. Are we doing this together? Are you doing this with me, or are you just watching? It's okay. You probably want to watch first and see how it goes, and then get the feel for it. Either way, you need to try it. And yes, you could just work shin box from side to side, but you know what? It's different. Completely different than rolling up into it and staying low over it. I mean, night and day different, which now you're gonna have to try both, right? So rolling over it and staying low, totally different stretch on the glutes or the backside. Anyway, give that a shot. It's really just taking a windshield wiper, moving into a low under the radar shin box to open up or stretch and lengthen the glutes, whatever word you want to use. It just feels good. And you know what? It feels good to feel good. So again, try it out. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.